Retail stores across the state were packed today as families stocked up before the storm.
Fox 61's Victoria Anderson was in Newington today and talked to shoppers at stores about how they're getting ready.
With round 2 of winter weather here, bread, milk, and eggs are hot commodities for storm prep shoppers here at Stu Leonard's.
Really, people are really going for their basic items. They want to get stocked up for the storm.
It wasn't your average Sunday rush at Stu Leonard's in Newington.
But you got your thumb in front of it.
There you go.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Are we going to go shopping?
Yeah.
With up to 2 feet of snow on the forecast, families like the Peaks had a few new additions to the shopping list.
You got a sled? Yeah. What else you guys got in here? Food.
Peyton and her family are stocking up with sleds, snacks, and essentials to keep them ready for whatever the blizzard brings.
I think we all have PTSD from that October snowstorm where we lost power for 2 weeks.
With such a fast forecast turnaround, store sales director Kurt Potter told us their team had to move fast to keep up with demand.
It is a little bit different. Last storm, we had a week's notice to get into it. We really didn't hammer down the numbers to the last minute this time.
But rain or shine, the show must go on.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Most Stu Leonard stores will have modified hours Monday for the safety of their staff and shoppers. But of course, the official word from state leaders is don't go outside unless you absolutely have to. In Newington, Victoria Anderson, Fox 61.